Hey there, friends on YouTube. My name is Roger with Electronics and Gadgets. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Hit the like and subscribe, please. If you've been here before, thank you. My next video is going to be on people who change this iPhone setting will never lose battery. Your phone has a little secret. Its battery really doesn't have to become depleted in a matter of hours. If you know which settings to change ASAP to boost battery power. There are actually a few settings that you can keep your battery from getting taxed out, but there's one that's really worth your focus. People who change this iPhone setting will never lose battery power. Without your knowledge, many of the apps you use are probably utilizing location services, which gives them access to your location. Some apps require this service to better serve you. Think of weather and navigation apps. But others are taking advantage of your data to give their advertisements a better, more accurate way of reaching you. Whatever the reason, location services is a huge battery drain. Turn off location services and you will see a drastic bump in how much battery life you can get in one day. The setting works in conjunction with the number of apps running in the background in order to track your location, and when turning off will limit what your iPhone is capable of doing without your knowledge. The only time that most people need location services turned on is when you are using Google Maps or similar service in order to navigate. Otherwise, you can leave it turned off to improve your battery life. Turning off location services is simple. Go to Settings, Privacy, Location Services. Make sure Location Services is on and then scroll down to change access for various apps. For some, you may want to select Never, while others benefit from accessing your location only when you are using the app. If you really want to reduce battery power even more, keep Location Services turned off and consider yet another setting. Also, switching to low power mode is an easy way to extend your iPhone's battery when it gets low. When your battery level goes down to 10% or 20%, you can turn on low power mode with one tap or go to Settings, Battery. Low power mode will reduce brightness, optimize performance, and minimize animations. Apps won't download content in the background, and some features will be disabled. You can still make and receive calls, emails, messages across the internet. When your phone is recharged, low power mode will switch off. So that was my video on a setting that you can change on your iPhone if you want to stop losing battery power. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below, and until next time, I'm out.